Many people don't realize this. Yeshua gave up his heavenly glory to become a man. Listen to what he prayed. Father, glorify me with the glory I had with you before the world existed. John 17:5. This means Yeshua existed before creation and had glory with the Father. But he set that glory aside when he became flesh. Philippians 2 says he emptied himself. He humbled himself. He came to obey the Father's will. And now he prays, Father, restore me to that glory. This shows the Father is the one who gives the authority. Yeshua is the Son. The Father is his God, and the Spirit is the power of Yahweh working through them. He did not say, I am one of many ways. He said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me.